everyone, my name is Adele and I am a volunteer for Let's Talk Science in Ottawa, and today we are going to eat like a butterfly. So if you've ever looked at a butterfly, you may have noticed that it doesn't chew when it eats. It doesn't really have a mouth, but instead it has what we call a proboscis. And a proboscis is essentially like this really big straw that unrolls in order for the butterfly to reach the nectar in the flower. So today we're going to be building our very own proboscis so that we can mimic how the butterfly feeds. So for this activity, we are going to need a few sheets of paper, a pair of scissors, a rubber band, some Scotch tape, a coloring marker, which is optional, and also two pieces of Velcro, one piece of soft Velcro, and one piece of rough Velcro so that they can stick together like this. If you don't have Velcro, then don't worry about it. This part is optional. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to build our proboscis, we're going to take our sheet of paper and we're going to cut it in half lengthwise. So here I just have a scrap sheet of paper. It doesn't need to be a brand new sheet of paper. We can recycle. So we're going to cut it lengthwise. And then with our half piece of paper here, what we're going to do is we're going to fold the two edges inward together. So we're going to fold on two sides. We can make sure that there's a bit of an overlap when we're folding. So you can see here that I overlapped it a bit. And then we're going to tape this down. So I'm going to put a piece of Scotch tape down the middle. And I'm also going to put a few extra pieces of tape towards the edges. Okay, so now it looks like a bit of a tube. If I were to open it up, it does like a tube. Now I'm going to take one end of this tube and I'm going to fold it inside maybe about ½ centimeter in. So we're going to close one edge of this tube here and we're going to put some tape. So this is the main body of our proboscis. Okay, so now the next step is we're going to take the edge that we just taped down. We're going to start rolling from that end and roll along the piece of paper until we get to the other edge. So over here we're just rolling, and after we're done rolling, that's where our rubber band is going to come into play. So I have our rubber band here. I'm just going to place it tightly around. And we're going to set this aside for a few hours. So what we're doing here is we're rolling the paper and we want it to maintain this kind of rolled up shape. So we're going to set it aside with the rubber band for a few hours. Luckily, I have a piece here that I had already prepared before filming this video. And so after waiting a few hours, we can take off the rubber band. And then we're going to get to the second step of building our proboscis. So for this step, if you have a straw at home, you can go ahead and use that. I don't have any straws, so I'm just going to take the remaining part of my first sheet of paper and roll it up into a straw. Okay, so I'm making a tube and I'm just going to tape it shut. I'm going to put one piece in the middle and one piece of tape on each end just to hold it nicely. Okay, so I have my straw. This straw is a bit long, so I'm actually going to cut it. And I'm just going to use half here. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna wanna do is we can unroll this piece of paper that we let sit. And at the other end, this is an end that we hadn't taped down yet. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna take our straw and put it inside this end and tape it down. We're gonna tape our straw. And once our straw has been securely taped, we're gonna want to tape down the edges here of the paper so that the air can't come through from there. So we wanna close off the rest of this opening by taping it down. Okay. So this is our proboscis. So what we can do now is if we blow into it, we're gonna see that it opens in the same way that a proboscis unrolls when a butterfly is feeding. So if we really want to mimic how a butterfly eats, we can go a bit further and make up our own little flower here. So I'm just gonna draw a flower on my second sheet of paper. And the Velcro is going to act as the nectar. So I'm gonna take one of my pieces of Velcro. I can take the soft side, for example, and I'm gonna stick it into the middle of the flower, and that's going to play the role of the nectar. And to the end of the proboscis, so the end here, which we had folded and taped, I'm gonna place the other piece of Velcro. So this is going to be the hard Velcro that's gonna go on this end. And so if I roll this up again, now we can really imagine that this is on a butterfly, and when a butterfly comes to feed, what it's going to do is the proboscis is going to unroll and it's going to go reach the nectar. And so we can kind of simulate how a butterfly eats now with our own proboscis. And when both pieces of Velcro touch, then we know it's been a successful feeding. So now with this activity, you can eat just like a butterfly at home. And just a fun fact about the proboscis is when the butterfly first emerges from the pupa or the chrysalis, their proboscis is actually in two pieces. And the butterfly needs to put these pieces together before it can eat for the first time. So I guess this is kind of like what we did. We had our first piece here and the second piece, which was our straw. So we had to construct our proboscis into two pieces in the same way that butterflies do. Hope you enjoyed.